Well, when you talk about mall, shopping mall, it is becoming a new trend that people are rushing to the malls, the shopping mall. It's become a culture, a mall culture by itself. So on a weekend, people would like to go to the mall because it offers entertainment. People go there to socialize. They go there to meet other people, and some people they simply walk around and feast their eyes. They feast their eyes on good mannequins and good window shopping. They look at the good clothes, the new items, gadgets. So people come to the shopping mall as a place to socialize. It is also a good pastime. They sit around, they watch other people. The main thing is that the mall knows how to occupy the mind of its visitor. And today the malls are comfortable, it offers great convenience, it offers great comfort, it is neat, tidy, clean with marble flooring. It's a great feel-good factor because it exposes you to good shopping facility, and the people are courteous, therefore people come to the mall. The mall gives a lot of information of the new gadgets, the new trend. The mall gives you information of the new cars on gifts and promotions. There are bargains, and there are games to occupy the mind of the people. There are participatory involvement of the game center. There's something for children, something for every member of the family. And ultimately, what do people want? They want to eat. And ultimately, there's a food court and choicest dishes, and everything is modular in choosing the food. You can have a little of this from this window and a little of that from the other window. Come together and have a great community experience and experience of community eating. And yet it is not very heavy on your wallet. So all these things goes to make the mall the right culture for a middle class people. There are movies, you can go to the movies, there are very beautiful theaters, and main thing is that it's very well kept. The quality of the mall culture is very high end. And though the visitors, the footfall is from the middle economy class, yet in return what they get is a very high end experience of pastime and information exchange, food. And the food is also, there are fine dining restaurants if you so choose to go there. And at the same time it is very modular, and many fast food, continental, Chinese, Italian, Mexican, Indian, South Indian, North Indian, you name it, it's all available. And it's very safe from the roads, it's safe from pollution. So all these things goes into making mall a trendy place to visit. And it keeps changing. The beauty of the mall is that it is never stagnating. New faces, new trend, new events, and the clothes, everything changes with the fashion, with the season. So there is no boredom or stagnation. Now consider all this entertainment, leisure, rejuvenation, relaxation on one side. On the other side, there are mall walkers, there are people who come just to walk. Because if you go around a mall for 5 times, it's almost having walked 2 kilometers. So for health, for fitness, there are people who go up and down the stairs, they use it as cardio, and the people who walk around to do some movement of the body to improve circulation, metabolism. So together, everything gives a person a worthwhile experience, easy on pocket. It has an ample car parking space. So there's a great convenience of parking your car, and there's a great comfort of walking in safety of organized security guard system, and everything is branded. So if you buy electronics, there is a potential of exchange, and many things, all little things done correctly goes into making a mall walk or a mall visit a great experience.